ॐ गजाननं भूतगणाधिसेवितं कपीत्थजम्बूफलचारुभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम् ॐ कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि Om Bhur very much enjoy food time here, right? So there is one simple proverb. If there is a four pot live together, so there little bit sound come. Because all the pot they come different soil, different mud, different places. So sometimes they match and sometimes they do not match, right? So as usual I say, like imagine one place you gather. So India divided into the major four parts: eastern part, southern part, north and south. And four direction have four language, four types of the food, four types of the living, everything. But sometimes they gather at one point. So either they have understanding, DNA matching, will be no problem. If not, there always will have some problem. So there is not a problem. There is one guy I had, who was old. He was young, but we say by age. He was living in US. He was from Israel. She said, my friend, there is not a problem unless you do not create problem. You understand? Unless you do not create problem, there is not a problem. So how is not to create problem? Need to be flexible. Not only flexibility through your body, be flexible about the mind. So very simple things also need to understand. As usual, I don't see you, I see myself. So imagine when you are here, so every time you are saying, please come on the time, on the meal. 10:30 meal, come. Okay, 5 minutes late, 10 minutes late. But if we come 1 hour late, and just for you, one person have to sit and wait to serve. Also you want service. So just, okay, forget it. This is the ashram, this is the center, you have paid whatever. But just imagine, you invite some guest, maybe your daughter, your son, just say like this, maybe your husband, maybe your wife. You are sitting on the lunch place, on the table, and you say, everyone, we will meet on the lunch table by 11 o'clock. Daughter say, I have, Mama, my work, my online meeting, I will come 12:30. Husband say, I will come 1 o'clock. Son say, Mama, I will come 2 o'clock. You think you will be very much happy? Just think like this. Then what happened? 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Then finally you say, go to hell. I'm just telling you. You will not say, but in the come, you do whatever. I'm not going to wait you anymore. So this is the. So they think I'm doing very right. I'm doing the building of my career. I'm working. But they will not respecting your heart, your desire. Also you want like Mama make proper, paratha, fresh paratha. From kitchen come to direct in my plate. You want all the services. And that is the problem come in the family. I remember I was a guest at one place, and the old guy, he was habit, but who create habit? We create habit. So his was a nature that from the tawa, the cooking plate, should come direct to his plate. And the food, they say Uthavan food from the pack and take. Also, they do not like to eat. I don't know who created this system. So one day what happened, he came home and gas was finished that time. So gas is not in the hand. The gas have to come from the agency. Somebody have to go and then bring. So then what happened, in the whole family, whole member, they got upset because my Dadaji, my grandfather, my whoever, he didn't eat the food. Whose mistake? Who is the most poor? The sister-in-law, because you say the Bahu, she cannot speak anything. Whose mistake? She didn't save the gas. She finishes. But you think she add the gas? Not. So there is not a problem unless we do not create problem. Because every houses have some rule, some law. And if you follow it, then everything will be very good. And if you do not follow it, I'm talking general, every house. Imagine I become the guest of you, your home. You prepare 8 o'clock, you have to go to hospital, your job. You say, okay, Guruji, come. I prepare, very from the heart. Come 8 o'clock. So what happened, I must come. Every work, I can organize, postpone, anything. So what happened, and if I wouldn't come, so what happened? You will not be happy. One day you prepare, second day say, okay, Guruji in the kitchen, go please cook yourself. And then third day, even if you go to the 5-star resort, 7-star resort, everywhere some time. It's not only I'm talking here, everywhere. Even the buffet, 7 till the 10. If you reach, they are not flexible. They close, and then if you want something, they say you have to pay. And there also you cannot argue, you cannot fight. Okay, this we are small. You can say, okay, Panditji, give, otherwise this and that and that. You need to accommodate, you need to be flexible. You can shout him. But in the big, even you pay the, like go to the Ananda, 50,000 rupees per night, and everything have time. So big money, big time, big punctuality, big restrictions. And there they're keeping the, wrestler man. If you do something, they will hold, they will throw you out. No, I'm just telling you, how I have, So therefore, what we teach here, first thing, because many people, they come, I want to learn discipline, I want to change my life, I want to change the routine. So, my dear, nobody going to change. Only we have created the schedule. If you follow it, it will be changed. If you do not follow, so even the God wouldn't help you. See, your life, the God is some point of the view, God help. When we were kids, we cannot eat food. So the woman's, what you say, breast. Immediately they secreted the milk. Milk doesn't come neither before nor after. Only the few, if you have been the mother, you can understand. Only when the baby comes, when the baby how long need milk. Only even woman feel it. I want to feed. And she feel the enjoy, pleasure. Not another time, not before. So this means the God giving the help for food. So the God, when you get, the mature, adult, then God says, now you live your life. You decide how you want. You want to drink milk or you want to drink wine. Right? You decide. This is your choice. You want to sleep in daytime, you want to wake up in the night time. You want to wake up and do some exercise, or you want to wake up and drink some whatever. So the God doesn't help always. But of course, whatever you decide, so God always with you. So however, so this was our schedule. So everyone you have learned. So our is like test. We keep the test so that you are learning your home. And then further things you decide whatever you want to do. After the certificate you want to open the school, even do not need master in that subject. Like many business, many people is not like you cannot say Mukesh Ambani have been all the IT or all the the MBA, BBM, all the subject mastery in, right? But he in the he's the billionaire in the India like number one. So that is the so it's like again to say like many businessmen not need to mastery in the same subject. So they do it. But here it was matter that you are here for learning. So we force you, push you that you need to pass the exam because you need to learn. So when you earn something, so it make you value. Otherwise you paid, you give you piece of paper, you don't know anything, and then simply when you go home, somebody will ask you, you come to the from yoga school. Can you teach me Anulom Vilom? Because it's very popular. And you say, I don't know, I just put like this, put the, play the flute. But they not need to play the flute. They need to teach proper deep inhale, deep exhale. Because Anulom Vilom, that breathing is really work for the heart. Even the heart disease, cardiac problem, people they can do it. But they should do as a medicine. Medicine you take 3 times, 4 times a day. So they should practice at least 4 times a day and 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And every time they need to extend their breathing system. So this is the second thing. Anything, whatever we said, anything we did, so everything was in your favor. It wasn't anything, whatever we did, our team. So it is not our purpose to hurt you purposely. So do not take negative. Always everything think positive. So here also we try to teach everything, be punctual on the time, be punctual on the schedule, also change your lifestyle, change your routine daily, And I'm sure everyone you have changed here in 3-4 weeks, your physically, also your mentally, and also your aura and energy. Now, the third point, so as I say, wherever we live, so everything doesn't goes according us, right? As usual I say, suppose if somebody from Gujarat and go to the North India, it is not possible to find the Gujarati food, right? So just for a while person feel uncomfortable, but have to be flexible. So either that choice is you carry the negative or you carry the positive. So how is the carrying it? So there everyone say our body is as temple. Body means our mind and body, heart. So mostly whatever we feel uncomfortable, we think as a negative and not happy. And then we say, I didn't like this place because the food wasn't good, the staff wasn't good, everything wasn't good. But there nobody look that it's not possible to make the, the South Indian like idli, sambar, uttapam, dosa, masala dosa, rava dosa. Is North India is not. Like somebody come from it to say like piece of paper. It is the paper. So just like say when you have driving license, only is permit you drive your vehicle on the street. But you have to drive. The driving license never drive. You never talk, never guide. You have to die. But when you something make mistake, especially in India, so people take out, make the first action movie, and then afterward they say, so your license, do this and that, whatever. So therefore, many countries, they have insurance that if you, what can you do? Even you can sit in lotus, sit in the Titli asana, maybe some lazy day come, do in the savasana, but do something, spend time on the mind. And then further you eat on the time and everything. So this is it is the conclusion. Yeah, and other things we fulfill, we completed whatever promise. We took you, one is the Shakti Peeth, Paoki Devi temple. Also we took to the Gangaji practice. Also we took you to the Nirga waterfall. And also we give you the massage. So whatever you promises, everything we fulfilled. And so continue, we wish to see you back, just feel home away home and keep in touch. So now let's call and big congratulations to Rupali Gupta. आप यहाँ पहले यहाँ जाओ. Now Bhavita Chauhan, big congratulations. Now Pooja Sa. Asira. Asira. Again, Hara Hara Mahadev. Again, Hara Hara Mahadev. So thanks everybody. So have a beautiful day and have a very good trip.